Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical basics so nothing else wastes time. Check that Ethernet or modem cables are snug and indicator lights are normal. If using Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode off and turn Wi-Fi off then on. Next, run Windows Network Troubleshooter from settings right arrow network and internet to capture error codes. Once done, restart the target PC and the router or modem in sequence. Power off 30 seconds. Power on so you have a clean state to proceed. Now dig into the network stack to repair configuration issues. Open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to clear corrupt entries. Restart if prompted. If the problem persists, use ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew to get a fresh IP lease and confirm the default gateway matches your router address. Finally, if name resolution fails, set IP4DNS manually to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 in adapter properties, make sure to test with ping to 8, 8, 8, 8 and then to a domain. Finish by restoring software components and checking system services. Open Device Manager, update the network adapter driver, or roll back to a known working version. If needed, uninstall the adapter and use scan for hardware changes to reinstall. Verify DHCP client and DNS client services are running and set to automatic so Windows can obtain addresses and resolve names. If those steps fail, reboot the modem/router again and test another network or use a recent restore point. If problems persist, contact your ISP with the error details from the troubleshooter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.